Hi everyone, day 23 of the UK Locksport January Challenge. I've got a Keyosk here, number 7740, that I found in my bag. I'm now in Leeds. I was planning to do a lock before I left, when I left Somerset, but things got a bit awry and I literally couldn't do it before I left for the station. So I've got all the kit with me that I need to help out at the Lockpick Village tomorrow at BSides Leeds. It should be fun. So, I mean, I'm not actually the main person responsible. I'm just being a helper for this one. But I've got some extra things like tensioners with me, stickers as well. So it's all good fun. So I'm going to try picking this lock, which shouldn't take, hopefully the world to deal with. It's a 5-pinner. Keyosk. They're lovely locks, the Keyosk. Great little locks. So off we go. Yeah, it's quite late here, so train journey was an hour delayed, which is such fun. So I stuck on that train for a lot longer than I wanted to be, and there was a fight. So it's quite a full set I've got going on there. Oh, there we go. Open. So yeah, well, I wonder what tomorrow will bring.